Good morning everyone. Another design for today guys. Chocolate siya guys. Nakabak lang. Kaya wala siyang eyes or mata. Walang mata na nakalagay sa design for today. Look at that guys. Nakabak yung ulo ng bear. Okay? Color beige yung wandel niya guys. Color beige. Brown yung color ng ginagamit sa choco, sa design. Ito siya guys. Design for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Bye!